Okay, let's go. What are we doing? Const expression functions, consteval shit. Excuse me. And so what, we can return those? Can we return them to initialize stuff though? That needs to be const expression? Stuff that's known at compile time? I feel like I'm just saying words at this point. I don't need to include anything. What the fuck am I doing? It gives us an int. It's called getInt. Sure. And it has an int x and it's 4, and all it does is return x. Cool. What? So now what happens if I do... Wait. Oh, wait. So it's evaluated all at compile time, and we have local variables, but we're initializing this guy. The point is that this is a constant expression, but why? So it can create its own changeable local shit that isn't constant, nor a const expression, but it returns it as a const expression as long as it was created in this guy at compile time. It can't initialize x as get non-const, or well, what the fuck am I doing? The fuck am I doing? It cannot call a function that doesn't return a non-const expression int. Okay. I feel like this is a chapter where it isn't as important. It's also a small chapter. So I want to say that it has less value than other chapters. And I think that's probably true. But I still want that info in my brain. So let's take it. Steal the information.
Steal the information.
Okay. Okay. And the reason why is because it's inside it. And it somehow is returning it as a constant. So he's not constant here, but he's returned as a constant. He becomes const expression qualified because the compiler does all this shit at compile time, not runtime. Non-const expression returning functions are usually execute just at runtime. It seems like the consteval function needs to know where all the information is coming from. If it creates it itself, it's good to go. But if it gets it from somewhere else, it needs to be basically a reliable source, a const expression source. Okay. Okay. Can use function parameters and local variables as arguments in const expression function calls. And it seems like maybe the reason why is because that's const expression. It doesn't say const eval. And I'm guessing that's because a const expression doesn't require the arguments to be const expression, to be constant expressions. A const eval function does, but not a constant expression function. So, if a const expression function doesn't require its parameters to be constant expressions or even const. Oh, well, the problem there is I just passed x as a const. Let's make it not. The fuck? What the fuck? What is it doing? Why did it do that? Oh, I'm like stupid? Why is it doing that? What the fuck is it doing? What the fuck is it doing? Oh, where is my bracket? So calling a const expression function with a non-constant value is no good. So we have getInt, which creates a non-const int, passes it to a const expression function, which returns the same shit, which it then returns. And it's okay. So integers that aren't const, that are created, that are local variables within const expression functions, cool. Those can be passed as arguments to other non-const expression functions. But those created within non-const expression functions, dang, are not good and cannot be passed like that. Yo, it's not const expression anymore. Oh, you don't see main anymore, so it can't update. Need music.